to everyone who's watching. In our lesson 3 of vectors, we are going to talk about the magnitude of a vector. The magnitude of a vector can be called the length of a vector, can be called the modulus of a vector. It can be denoted as that where the A is the vector. So suppose my vector A is given as xy, then the magnitude of A, which is this, is given by the formula square root of the x value squared plus the y value squared. So that is how we get the magnitude of a vector. We have our example 1, given that vector m as that and vector n as that, determine the magnitudes of those parts there. My vector m, that is, I said I'm going to get the x squared plus the y squared. So the x value there is 2 squared plus the y value is 3 squared. So when I square 2, I get 4 plus 9. When I add the 2, I have 13. 3.60. I give my answer to 2 decimal places. Then part B, the magnitude of n, that is square root of x squared plus y squared. So this one here, the x value is 5 squared plus the negative 4 squared. So when I square 5, I get the 25. Now when I square the negative 4, I'm going to get 16, positive 16. When I add the 2, I'm going to get 41. So root of 41 is going to be 6.40 to 2 decimal places. Part C, we have the magnitude of m plus n. Now, for such cases, we are going to first get what is in the magnitude. That is, we are going to first add vector m to vector n. So m plus n is going to be equal to, I first substitute them, 2, 3, then add 5, negative 4. Then I add that one there, 2 to 5, that is 7, 3 to negative 4, that is negative 1. So what is inside the magnitude? I've got it as 7, negative 1. Therefore, its magnitude is going to become square root of 7 squared plus negative 1 squared. 7 squared is 49 plus 1 squared is 1, which is the square root of 50, and I get 7.07 units. Part D, I'm going to also first get what is there, that is the 2m minus the 3n. So that is 2 vector m, which is 2, 3, then minus 3, 5, negative 4. When I multiply, those are scalars, multiplying them there, that's going to be 4, 6. This one here, when we multiply, that's going to be 15, negative 4. So when I add them, I'm going to get 4. When I subtract them, I'm going to get negative 11. Then here, I'm going to get positive 18. I can get the magnitude. It's going to be equal to square root of negative 11 squared plus 8 squared. That is going to be the square root of 121 plus 64, 10 units.